E90 2006, and I have a problem with this car and not sure what's going on. Okay, this is my problem. The stick right now is not selecting any gears, right? It's just sliding. That's all he's doing, just sliding back and forward, back and forward. So it's not selecting anything at all. So I take everything apart already to find out what's going on, and what I saw is I don't really have anything loose. I thought there's like a cable or something got loose from here, and especially with the transmission cable, right, or the stick cable, whatever they call it, not sure how they call this cable right here that connects to the box. So I went actually, let's see, to see really carefully if I got loose, but not really. Everything is connected, working properly. So well, what I can tell is there is no problem at all up here. So now I need to go down there under the car and see and try actually find this cable where exactly goes, and find out it's still connected to the transmission box. So I need to find out that if that is not a problem, so I am actually in a bad problem, in big trouble, because if this problem coming from the transmission box, that will be bad, because that's more money to replace anything. And I just hoping it's just the transmission cable, right, or the stick cable is the problem. So let's go down there and take a look. Let's see what we can find. Luckily it's just the cable, and let's see if I can fix it. I have this right here where the cable actually connects, right? So this is the one that actually connects to the gears right here. And let's see, it's so hard. There we go. You hear it, right? Let's see. Alright, so you can tell this working. It's actually working. So what's the problem? So what I actually found out is this cable got loose from this small holder. I'm not sure how they call this holder, right? It's like let's see if I can push it back again. If I push this thing back, there we go. Put it in here, push it in. Now, as you can tell, it is located where it's supposed to be, right? So let's take a closer look. As you can tell, there is something missing in here that prevent this cable to go out of position, right, from this holder. Alright, so every time when I use my stick to put a gear, right, so the gear or the stick will push actually this cable, small cable, and push this thing. So the gear will go like, let's say, every time like this, right? Boom, boom. So every time when I go like more, so the cable is actually getting loose from that section. You see? So after he got loose, when I gonna push it back, no more, it doesn't work anymore. So this is where actually the problem is coming from. So now I need to find something to secure this thing back. So it's like a small click or something, and let me go get it, because I went to the junker and went in under the car, and I saw the transmission cable have a click between here that prevent this cable to get loose. So well, I got it, and now let's put it in. Let's see what happens. If that will fix the problem. Hopefully that fixes the problem. Okay, so this is the part I'm losing. So as you can see, there is a part number if you ever need to buy one. So it's a BMW 1421252. Okay, so that's the part number you need if that ever happens to you. All right, so this will secure the stick cable back to that position where it's supposed to be. So let's put it on. Let's see if that fixes the problem. All right guys, let's put it back. So this is the clip right here. All right, so this is the right position to put it in. All right, just make sure you put it like this. Okay, and this is the only way, as you can tell, that will go actually in. All right, so that won't work. All right, so this is the only way. And make sure to bring something with you, that way you can actually hit this thing in, because it's so hard to push it in. So it's not like it's not that easy. So the only way is to make it happen is hitting that thing just once. So let's see if I can make it. Okay, a couple of times just to make sure that will be secure. Okay, wonderful. Let's give it a test. Oh, it is some parking up there. Alright, so let's give it a test up there. Everything is secure. Okay, it's not falling. Alright, so let's give it a test. Let's see what happens. Okay, so let's find out if the stick is working properly. Alright, so let's see what happens. Okay, right now we have the stick on position, on parking position. So let's unblock that from here. Okay, I have to do this with two hands. Just give me 1 second. Okay. Excellent. All right, let's see if the stick is getting any gears. Okay. Wonderful. Everything is working. That's fantastic. So let's put everything back together and let's give it a test if everything works when the car is on. Okay, so I just put everything back together. So let's find out if everything is working properly. So I got my knock right here. So let's put it back here. Okay, and then let's see if the car is going to turn on. Hopefully everything works. Yep, the car did turn on. That's a good sign. And let's change this. Wonderful, everything is start working again. Alright guys, so if you have any more questions about anything, just please let me know. We'll be here, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.